Welcome. If you want to keep your location private while using Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method to prevent Messenger from accessing your location. This simple process helps you take control of your privacy in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you manage all your device's apps and permissions. Take a moment to find the settings icon and tap to open it. Next, scroll down until you see Apps, or it might be called App Management depending on your device. Tap on this option to view a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now scroll through the list and find the Messenger app. Once you've located Messenger, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Inside Messenger's settings, look for the Permissions section. Permissions control what information and features the app can access on your device. Tap on Permissions to continue. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that Messenger can request, such as camera, microphone, and location. Find location on the list and tap on it. Finally, select Don't Allow or Deny to block Messenger from accessing your location. This setting ensures Messenger can't use your location for any purpose, including sharing it in chats or tracking your whereabouts in the background. That's it. You've successfully prevented Messenger from accessing your location. If you ever change your mind, you can return to these settings and adjust permissions as needed. Taking a moment to review your app permissions is a great way to protect your privacy and stay in control of your personal information. Thanks for following along. For more helpful tips on digital privacy and security, be sure to check out our other guides. Stay safe and see you next time.